Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy V-Bucks with Amazon gift card. So first you need to do is to go on to the Amazon and you need to log in into Amazon account. Once you log in, you simply need to search V-Bucks onto the Amazon. So search here and after that you need to find, so here it is V-Bucks. So you simply need to select and you can use Amazon gift card to purchase this. So here you can see that it is currently unavailable, but you need to find the V-Bucks that are currently available and you need to purchase them with the help of your card, with the help of your Amazon gift card that you have. So you simply need to select and purchase. Once you purchase, you simply need to go on to the Fortnite website. So once you are on the Fortnite website, here you can see different options. So then you simply need to click here and you simply need to redeem this into your game. After creating your account, you can easily redeem. So this is the process that you need to follow to buy V-Bucks with Amazon gift card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.